Shalini TV. News from the campus.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini TV where we get you the latest news bulletin from Shalini University. I am Arzu and here are the headlines.
A new batch for semester 1 from November. Cricket star Harbhajan Singh bowls over Shulinians. Preparations for Manchtantra 2020 begins. India's biggest inter-school quiz, Curiosity, reaches semi-final round.
And now the news in details. A new batch for the current first semester is to begin from November 3rd according to the university's academic calendar. Ankita, what more details can you provide on this?
Yes, Arsu, in order to accommodate students whose qualifying results were delayed, the Academic Council has decided to introduce a new batch for the current academic session. The registration for the new students would begin from October 30th and the induction program would be held from November 3rd.
Understand, once the semester starts, it will be 6 days a week. It cannot be in 5 days because we want them to join the main, I would say, line in the second semester. Depending upon the period how much this semester is extended. So we don't want to put students to disadvantage, those who come later. So they will be like the first batch, they'll be doing the same drill as that of the first batch. So all of us have to understand that this year, because of Corona and special circumstances, we prefer to start our semester in time. As announced, as our academic calendar, new academic calendar is also being issued or has been issued by the registrar.
Vice Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla also disclosed that the university ensured the students joining now were not put to any disadvantage. The university would function 6 days a week and extend the working hours to cover the syllabus.
Thank you for the information, Ankita. The star off-spinner Harbhajan Singh, popularly called Bhajji, enthralled the audience during a Yogananda Guru series webinar. Dipesh, what more details can you provide us?
Yes, Arzu. Extremely talented and everybody's favorite, Harbhajan Singh was a part of the webinar organized by Shalini University this week. He talked about his cricket and life experiences and fielded questions from all the students.
The game went so quick कि आगे की तरफ इतनी तेजी से बढ़ी गेम क्योंकि विकेट जल्दी गिर रहे थे. Then लगा कि ये मैच जो है वो हमारे हाथ से निकलना नहीं चाहिए. We have worked so hard to get to this situation and now we must get the right result. And thankfully Sachin bowled a brilliant spell. He took those 3 very important wickets, so that could help me from the other end to get all the other batters out. So I've taken 13 wickets in that game, not 6, 7 in the first inning and 6 in the second inning. So
that's what I meant. Absolutely.
It was one of those games, which gave me a lot of belief that I could achieve something, I could do something as an individual. But when we are together, we can do, far bigger and better things, that we can even imagine.
He said hard work and dedication are the keys to achieve any goal. He asked the students to never stop believing in themselves. He also amazed the students by reciting some beautiful lines.
लाइनें लिखी हुई हैं वो मैं सुना देता हूँ. शायद वो ज़्यादा अच्छी लाइनें हैं जो सब स्टूडेंट्स के या फिर बाकी लोगों के किसी को भी एक बंदे के काम आ जाए तो आई थिंक I'll be happy. मेहनत से उठा हूँ, मेहनत का दर्द जानता हूँ. आसमां से ज्यादा जमी की कदर जानता हूँ. लचीला पेड़ था जो झेल गया आंधियां. मैं मगरूर दरख्तों का हश्र जानता हूँ. छोटे से बड़ा बनना आसान नहीं होता. जिंदगी में कितना जरूरी है सब्र जानता हूँ. मेहनत बढ़ी तो किस्मत भी बढ़ चली. छालों में छिपी लकीरों का असर जानता हूँ. कुछ पाया पर अपना कुछ नहीं माना, क्योंकि आखिरी ठिकाना मैं अपनी हस्त्र जानता हूँ। बेवक्त बेवजह बेहिसाब मुस्कुरा देता हूँ, आधे दुश्मनों को तो मैं यूं ही हरा देता हूँ।
Well, that surely was an enthralling experience for all those who participated in the webinar. And now Yashoda will tell us about the preparations reaching a feverish pitch for the much awaited Manch Tantra, the inter-department competitions. Yashoda, let's hear more details about it.
Sure, Arzu. Manch Tantra this year is going to be in virtual space, with every department gunning to be the overall champion. Planning and preparation are afoot with feverish rehearsal through video calls. The battle is to excel in various activities like singing, dancing, fashion shows, poster making, and stand-ups, plus many more.
Feel the magic in me. Feel the magic in me.
Magic System, Red One, Shaoki. Yes, I love that. Feel the magic in me.
With the starting of Flash Mob again in the virtual space, the fight for trophy has also begun. All the departments have started preparation to rock their performance. Here's a look at few. COVID pandemic and the continued restriction has evidently not broken the spirit of the participants. The event is aimed at acknowledging the efforts of various departments and rewarding them for their hard works.
So buckle up and get ready for the fun that's about to begin. And now Manan will throw light on the biggest inter-school quiz by Shuni University, the Curiosity Quiz. At which stage is the contest now, Manan?
About 200 schools all across the country participated in the biggest annual inter-school quiz, Curiosity, out of which only 60 schools were possible to qualify for the quarterfinals.
Congratulations all the qualifying teams. I welcome you all to the quarter finale of Curiosity 2020. All the best, good luck and keep rocking the show.
Welcome all the teams to the quarterfinals of Curiosity 2020. We are really excited to have you with us. Keep quizzing.
Warm welcome to all the qualifying team for being a part of quarterfinals, and stay tuned, be safe and keep quizzing.
The quiz started with a bang on 10th October. All the students participated with great energy and enthusiasm. All the semi-finalists are now ready to beat up their rivals over the next week before the grand finale.
Thanks, Manan. And now for our special series on Ideas from Shuni, Nikita tells us about an interesting idea.
Yes, Azu, it surely is very interesting, and particularly for those who find it difficult to do Chakra Asana without external support while practicing yoga. Professor Sashil Kumar and his team have come out with a design which can help them with it. The equipment would ensure that one can gradually increase the difficulty level. The equipment is also helpful in correcting the posture of Chakra Asana without the help of another person. It is designed by the team led by Professor Sushil Kumar with Raj Kumar, Akarsh Sharma and Shubham Prakash.
Thanks Nikita, and for the talent segment we have Rohit Uttam from BJMC department showcasing his talent.
नमस्कार, मैं रोहित उत्तम आज आपके सामने कोरोना वायरस को लेकर कुछ गाने सुनाऊंगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तुम जो कह दो तो कोरोना का इलाज कराऊंगा मैं, महंगे वाले सैनिटाइजर फ्री दिलाऊंगा मैं। ना तो मास्क ना सैनिटाइजर फ्री दिलाते हो तुम, इस तरह भला क्यों मेरी जान अफवाह उड़ाते हो तुम। हम तुमको कोरोना से इस तरह छुपा लेंगे, तुम चाहे छुपो जितना हम कोरोना से बचा लेंगे हो। कहीं कोरोना ना हो जाए, कहीं कोरोना ना हो जाए। धन्यवाद।
Wow, we truly have extremely talented students here. And you have the opportunity to let your talent shine. So send in your videos to us on WhatsApp number 98880888882 or at newsletter@shiliniuniversity.com. Now RJ Arjuma will tell us about the upcoming radio shows.
Hello everyone, this is Arjuma and today I'm here with a list of shows on Radio Shulini for this week. The shows are A Feel That I Feel with RJ Alisha and Incredible IPL with RJ Pankaj. Also, a video show will be uploaded on our Shulini YouTube channel and which I'm sure will connect to all of you. It's College Life with RJ Ayushi and RJ Anushka. Do watch, like, subscribe and share. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.
That's all for this week and we shall be back with the next bulletin next Friday. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.